Now we will discuss the parts of the tongue mainly. So we know that the tongue has basically three parts: the tip, the body, the base. Also there is the root, and the body has two surface, two border. Now one by one, part by part. This is the tip, no doubt. This is the body. This is the base, and below here, from the genial tubercle of mandible to the hyoid bone, there will be the geniohyoid muscle, and above that will be the genioglossus muscle. Now the lower border of the genioglossus muscle will form the root, which we will see later in the model. So now what I want to focus is that here is a V-shaped sulcus. This one is the V-shaped sulcus. This is the sulcus terminalis, and here is the foramen. This is the foramen cecum. So behind that, these are the lingual tonsils, and above that, in parallel to the sulcus terminalis, there are the phalate papilla. This is the median brachy of the tongue. Here will be the foliate papilla. Here will be the fungiform papilla, and all over it will be the filiform papilla. So this is the dorsal surface complete. We will see the details in our book of anterior two-third, posterior one-third, and etc. Now this is the inferior or ventral surface. Here we might find the frenulum, but it is absent here. Here it is not present. And that's all for the tongue. Now come here. We know that this is the epiglottis. So this is the median glossoepiglottic fold. This is the lateral glossoepiglottic fold. Between them it is the vallecula. This is the vallecula. Here it is important for the reservoir of saliva. And I hope this is clear. And in some cases, in these places, here it is not present, but some cases there will be present the sublingual glands. Okay. Now come to the larynx. Now I want to visualize how this viscera is done. So think this is our tongue in our body. In front there will be the pharynx, and behind that, in front there is larynx. In front there is larynx, and behind that there will be the pharynx. Now if we cut the viscera, especially the pharynx from behind, then we will go to the larynx. So this is viscera is done in this way. That here was the pharynx. We have cut it in this way. Now disclose it. Here we found the larynx. Now cut it again. Here we will found the interior of larynx. I think this is clear. So in the normal body, the larynx will be anteriorly, the pharynx will be posteriorly. So I have another viscera to visualize it. That in this viscera, the tongue is actually absent, base of the tongue is only present, and here is the cutted portion. Now how will determine its size? This is the pharynx. This is the larynx. This is the larynx. How will identify that? See, this is the interior. The interior is continuous with it, like this. So this will be the trachea. So this larynx and trachea will be anteriorly, and behind that, this is the pharynx, which will be posteriorly. So after understanding it, we can dive into the interior of larynx.